Prime Minister Narendra Modi is visiting Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh today. Prime Minister Modi is currently in Nagpur. He also visited the Smriti Mandir and paid tribute to Dr. Ambedkar at the Diksha Bhumi. He also laid the foundation stone of the Madhav Nethralaya Premium Center and addressed the public. This visit is important as Prime Minister Modi also shared the stage with RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat twice, first at the Smriti Mandir and then at the Madhav Nethralaya event. In a short while from now, he is also expected to inaugurate a facility for the unmanned vehicle at the Solar Defence and Aerospace Limited. Further, Prime Minister will be travelling to Bilaspur in Chhattisgarh. Let's listen in to Prime Minister Modi.
इसी साल राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ की गौरवशाली यात्रा का 100 वर्ष भी पूरे हो रहे हैं। आज स्वास्थ्य के क्षेत्र में देश जिस तरह काम कर रहा है, माधव नेत्रालय उन प्रयासों को बढ़ा रहा है। हम अपने देश का इतिहास देखें तो सैकड़ों वर्षों की गुलामी, इतने आक्रमण, भारत की सामाजिक संरचना को मिटाने की इतनी क्रूर कोशिशें, लेकिन भारत की चेतना कभी समाप्त नहीं हुई।
Modi inaugurated the Research Institute for Madhav Nethralaya. This is Prime Minister Narendra Modi who was who laid the foundation stone. Of course, in presence was Dr. Mohan Bhagwat, Swami Avdeshanand Giriji Maharaj, Swami Govind Dev Giriji Maharaj, Devendra Fadnavis, the Chief Minister, and Nitin Gadkari, Union Minister, was present. And on this occasion of Gudi Padwa on 30th of March, Prime Minister laid the foundation stone of the Madhav Nethralaya Premier Center, that is the Research Institute for Eye Care, something that Prime Minister spoke from this very month where we are reporting from in Nagpur is of course inline tunes and how the entire century, which is 100 years of RSS that had given several lives as far as to reach out to the people, to reach out to the last person, and that's how the Bharatiya Janata Party has also adopted those ideologies as far as reaching out to the last person and reaching and those policies that the government also brings up and how they can be implemented on ground and can reach out. So these are very important things that Prime Minister spoke from the stage where Mohan Bhagwat was present as well. It was twice this morning in Nagpur where it was Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Mohan Bhagwat, Sarsang Chalak, shared the space. Of course, it was early in the morning. As soon as Prime Minister landed in Nagpur, he visited the Smriti Mandir where he paid tribute to the RSS founders, headgiver and his successor, Golwalkar. And from there, he went to the Diksha Bhumi where Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid homage to Baba Saheb Ambedkar.